Top of the morning, Keane traders. Let's take a look at what we have going on. I have the right now, right here, we are still, if you are short the Euro USD from the 130.07 level, looks like this is pushing rather low for us here. And we could have the test of the trend line here once again at the 129.20 level. A break or hold there would be key. If we don't break at this level, I'd probably just go ahead and close the remainder of this trade, the remainder of the cow trade, looking for a bounce higher. The pair is already down in the US 50 pips, which actually seems a lot with the amount of volatility we've had lately. Great Britain pound USD on the same hand has been, and as you know in this trade, actually I'm not in this trade because I was waiting for a break of this range after being chopped up, so the entry point would have been at 129.41, and I didn't see the risk reward as being of interest to me. The Aussie USD, same thing with this trade. Obviously I didn't jump into this after it popped up from 102.98. Almost 100 pips on that data, and now it's rumored that the jobs data was incorrect or was due to statistical error. I mean, it is kind of weird to beat a number that with expectations for 10,000 and they came in with 75,000 print. We could get a total retrace of this number if there is a little bit of validity to that fact, and we could see it push down. So I'll be watching the scalps here for a chance to jump this on the downside. In the Great Britain bound USD. Trade still longness, it's not carrying any momentum. If we look at this cross in a bigger context, you can see that the pair has been traveling in an incredibly narrow range, around, well, let's say 149.60 at the top, and the bottom has been at 149.07. It's been basically traveling in a 50 pip range lately. Something's going to have to give. Something's going to have to give rather soon. I guess it was doing the same last week too, if you look at it in a broader context, until it bounced off the trend line. So we'll have to see what we get there and see if we get any momentum. So right now, right here in the scalps, excuse me, in the longer term trades, the pound is the only trade that we have going, and or at least I have going, and it's hanging on by a tooth. I'm going to be looking for more into the scalping game today, which just starts right about now with the Euro USD pushing down at the bottom of that range. We're going to watch to see if we get a break there. I mean, all in all, it would signal to go short right here, right now, at the end of this 5 minutes. So I'll have to take a look at that and see what we get. In the Aussie USD, very similar. It has no clear-cut direction, so I'd be sidelined on that. And the Euro JPY normally follows the case of the Euro, but with a little bit more conviction. If you want to look at the other pairs, CAD still just moving sideways. Definitely looks like a triangle's forming there. And New Zealand USD continues after it had poor data, continues to want to push lower, so we'll have to watch that for follow through today. And the yen, as usual lately, just sitting around. The yen pairs have definitely fallen back to sleep, and the stimulus talk has subsided for the moment. What has a talk, but it has been priced in at the moment. All right, everybody, good luck trading. Let's make some pips.